Another heteromorph, one that is also found in the late Cretaceous, generally the late Cretaceous of the high plains. This is a Camposcaphites, and the most common species is a Camposcaphites medosas. It comes out of the Pierce Shale. Here's a selection of specimens from the Pierce Shale in South Dakota, found along the Cheyenne River. A very nice specimen of a Camposcaphites medosas from the Pierce Shale of western South Dakota along the Cheyenne River. Again, the suture area, the fragma cone, as it's called, the area occupied by the sutures, this area in here, is shows up very well. And this area in here is the living chamber. This is the area that was occupied by the octopus-like animals whose tentacles came out of this end right in here. Heteromorph Ammonite Hamulites from the Upper Cretaceous of Europe. These sometimes look like a saxophone, up like that. Some of them really do look like saxophones, but that's another heteromorph, a very peculiar thing, and these heteromorphs are generally found at the very late Cretaceous. Were they again being zapped by radiation, or what was going on to produce these very, very bizarre mutations that it's very makes you wonder what survival advantage this shape of the shell had. What was the reason for these aberrant shapes, these enigmatic forms to have evolved at the late Cretaceous? And is often mistaken for being a gastropod or snail are these forms that you see here. A genus called Terillites. And Terillites, again, is found in the very late Cretaceous, one of the last of the ammonites that goes to the very top of Cretaceous strata, and then it goes extinct. Here's a nice group of Terillites. Notice that the end of the shell is disjunct, or it is separated from the coil that is characteristic of the genus. These specimens are from northern Mississippi, from the Ripley group in northern Mississippi in Union County. Here's another group of Terillites from similar age strata. These come from the Nakataw Sand in southern Arkansas. And again, you can see they resemble a snail. They're coiled in a vertical plane, and resemble some of the gastropods that you find in the late Mesozoic as well, and they're sometimes confused as gastropods. As an example that large heteromorphs are not only restricted to the very late Cretaceous, here's some very large heteromorphs from the lower Cretaceous of Texas. These come from Texoma Lake. And they're pretty good size, very good size for heteromorph ammonites. Again, like other late Cretaceous species of Terillites, these are coiled in a vertical coil, much like the coil of a gastropod.